Students, in previous video we have already discussed adsorption, type of adsorption and mechanism of adsorption. Okay, in this video we will discuss what adsorption, isotherm and application of adsorption. First, what is adsorption isotherm? Adsorption isotherm shows the relation between the x by m and p. Here, what is x, what is m and what is p? P is pressure and x is mass of absorbate. M is mass of absorbent and it at a constant pressure. This relation will gives a curve that is called adsorption isotherm. What is adsorption isotherm? The variation of amount of gas absorbed by the absorbent, okay, means x by m with pressure at constant temperature is expressed by means of curve. These are termed as adsorption isotherm. Which adsorption isotherm? It gives the relationship between the quantity of gas adsorbed by unit mass of solid adsorbent at a particular temperature. Means again temperature is constant. What will be x by m is directly proportional to p. In which way? With a power 1 by n. Here k and n are constant, p is pressure, x is amount of absorbate and m is absorbent by unit mass. Okay. In this way we get the curves. These curves are called adsorption isotherm. How? X by m we take here p and we will get a curve. This curve shows that on increasing pressure the amount of adsorbed gas also increases, but at a particular temperature it become constant. Okay, depends on the nature of gas. Now if we draw the graph after taking log, here we are taking log in this equation, then it become log x by m is equal to log k plus 1 by n comes before the log, 1 by n log p. It means it becomes this log x by m is equal to log k plus 1 by n log p. Now we will compare it. Y is equal to mx plus c. Then what is the value of c? C is equal to log k. And what is the value of m? 1 by n. When we will draw the graph, then the intercept gives the value of log k and the slope gives the value of 1 by n. Now this is the case when gas is adsorbed on the solid. If rather than this gas a solution is there, then what will happen? Adsorption from a solid phase. Solid can adsorb solute from solution. On increasing temperature, adsorption generally decreases. It depends on the concentration of solute. Here the equation remains same. What is for gas? X by m is equal to k p to the power 1 by n. In place of this p, here we will write c. X by m is equal to k c to the power 1 by n. Here what is C? C is equal to equilibrium concentration. It means it gives the concentration when adsorption is completed. And if again we can take log and draw the graph as we did for the previous example. This is the adsorption from solution phase. Which get adsorbed? Solutes are absorbed. And here concentration is taken rather than pressure. Okay students, now we will discuss the application of adsorption one by one. Adsorption means the thing is adsorbed at the surface. It is not a bulk phenomena, only at the surface. So it is used for the production of high vacuum, control humidity. If water get adsorbed, then we can control the humidity. Gas mask consists of activated charcoal. What is activated charcoal? Charcoal having the charcoal which does not have a smooth surface. Okay, activated charcoal or mixture of absorbent. So we make a gas mask which is used for the people who work in coal mines. Why it is? So that the undesired particle cannot move inside the body through respiratory tract. Removing colored substance from the solution. In chromatography this is used. In this process adsorption takes place. Separation of inert gases. If we want to adsorb separate inert gases, it can be adsorbed on charcoal of coconut. Okay, so it is used for the separation of inert gases also. The next is heterogeneous catalysis. First, what is heterogeneous catalysis? We will discuss the mechanism of it later on in this chapter. But what is catalysis? The catalyst increase the rate of reaction. Okay, and if the reactant and catalyst are not of same phase means solid, liquid or gases, all are not gases, all are not liquid, all are not solid. They have different phases. And if the catalyst adsorb the reactants for the reaction, and this is called heterogeneous catalysis. For example, N2 plus 3H2 gives NH3. Here the catalyst is iron. Iron is catalyst while the reactant are gases. So here this iron absorb these gases to form the product. Next is adsorption indicators. What are adsorption indicators? Many dyes are useful due to adsorptions. These dyes have been introduced as indicators, especially कहाँ पर? Precipitation titrations में. They are used in precipitation titration. For example, KBr is easily titrated with AgNO3 using what? Using eosine as an indicator. Flotation process. Sulfide ores have lots of impurities, gangue particles. When we add oil and water, then what will happen? द ओर पार्टिकल, जो ओर के पार्टिकल हैं वो एड्जॉर्ब हो जाएंगे और फ्लोट करने लगेंगे, तैरने लगेंगे. एंड द गैंग पार्टिकल, जो इम्प्योरिटीज़ हैं, दे गेट सेटल डाउन, वो नीचे बैठ जाएंगी. इन दिस प्रोसेस ऑल्सो एड्जॉर्प्शन टेक प्लेस. एड्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ वॉट? ओर. ओके. एंड द गैंग इज gang settle down in the tank. Chromatographic analysis. Here also selective adsorption take place, and the example is all the dye can be separated from the ink. In many diseases, drugs एड्जॉर्ब जर्म्स. ड्रग्स जो हैं वो जर्म्स को एड्जॉर्ब कर लेती हैं और मार डालती हैं. सो मैनी डिजीजेज ऑल्सो यूजेज अ फिनोमिना ऑफ एड्जॉर्प्शन. Okay, students, in this way we have completed the topic adsorption. In next video we will discuss catalysis. Thank you, students.